Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix network error in CapCut. Okay, first things first, open a web browser and perform a speed test by searching for speed test on Google. Ensure that you have a stable and sufficiently fast internet connection, ideally with a speed faster than a few megabytes per second. If your internet connection is unstable, consider switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Visit then a website like Down Detector and search for CapCut to check if there are reported outage or issues within the CapCut app. If there's a significant increase in reported outage, the network error might be due to server-related issues. So, just go to your device app store and search for CapCut if an update is available. So, if there is, just stop update to ensure that you have the latest version of the app. Because sometimes, network errors can be caused by bugs or glitches that might be fixed in newer app versions. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix network error in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.